All right. So what am I doing? Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's me, Anne, and this is Beauty with Me. Guys, I am going to Portugal at the end of the month. I'm going there for a wedding. My boyfriend's cousin is getting married in this beautiful wine hotel, and I thought that it might be fun to share with you guys what I think I'm gonna wear on my face, makeup-wise, at the wedding. I'm thinking of doing a little pink eyeshadow and a red lip. I'm hoping that the makeup that I'm choosing to use is gonna last all night. I think we're gonna be dancing, but I will show you guys what it looks like, and please make sure you are subscribed down below. Beauty with Me comes out every single Monday at 11 a.m. Starting off with a little bit of moisturizer. This is the Ursa Major Daily Defense Lotion. It has SPF 18 and it is a mineral sunscreen. In my opinion, mineral sunscreen can sort of act as a primer because they create this nice matte finish in the skin. And I'm gonna wear this concealer. This is the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. It is one of my favorites right now. It's very hydrating. It stays on, it doesn't crease. I would say it has like sheer to medium coverage. You can definitely build it up, but I like it because it looks so natural. Moving on to blush, I'm gonna use this Glossier Cloud Paint. I love these. They look so natural on the skin. They come in fun colors and you can use them on the eyes. So I'm going to dot that on my cheeks and then blend out with this brush. This is the shade Puff, which is a beautiful baby pink. It just melts into the skin, and I think that's what I like about these cream blushes so much, is that they look so natural, but you can also get a lot of pigment out of them if you want to. All right, so next up is powder. So I'm using the Mercier translucent powder. This is oh man. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna try to salvage the, oh my God, okay. So I'm just gonna tap that onto my face. I usually focus on my nose because that's where I get the most oily, and my forehead and my chin, and then I'll bring the excess product over the rest of my face. So bronzer, I'm using this Lisa Frank Glamour Dolls bronzer. It's $6. I like that it's small, it's good for travel, and I'm gonna sweep that under my cheekbones, onto my forehead, make myself look a little bit more bronzy. Since my skin is so matte because I really like super powdered it, I like to correct that with a little bit of cream highlighter. Now I love this one from Nudestix. It's called the Nudies All Over Face Color. This is in the shade Hey Honey. Unlike a lot of cream highlighters that just kind of end up looking kind of metallic on the skin, this one, it looks very dewy. Kind of like what your skin looks like when you've like ran a little bit and you're like a little bit sweaty, and it's just like a little bit of like sweat dew on your cheeks. So going back to this trusty little cloud paint, I actually like to use these in the eyes as well. They're so beautiful. Before I go in with the cloud paint though, I'm gonna put on a little bit of eyelid primer. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, a classic. All right, so I'm going in with cloud paint. I'm gonna put that on with fingers because I wanna really pack on the color. So I'm gonna let that dry before I go in with another layer, and while I do that, I'm gonna do the other eye. So since this is a liquid product, I'm gonna set it with a little bit of this same setting powder. I'm going to put on a little bit of eyeliner to define my eyes, a little cat eye. So I just got my hand on this STILA Heaven's Dew All Over Glimmer, and it is so pretty. It looks like a powder, but you put your hand in it and it feels soft, almost like a cream. What I like about it is it gives this kind of wet effect without actually having to wear eyeglass. So I'm gonna put this on top of my lid just to give myself a little bit of sparkle. I don't know if I like it over the eyeliner. Let's see. I thought I was gonna like it over the eyeliner, but I actually don't. So I'm gonna put some eyeliner back on. I'm gonna use this Lancôme Monsieur Big waterproof mascara, which I wore in my waterproof makeup video, tested it in water, and I know that it lasts through ocean water, which is salty. So I hope that if I cry at the wedding, it'll stay on through that because tears are salty. That was the dumbest thing I've ever said. All right, so next up I'm gonna do my lip, which is the final step. And I'm wearing the Narcissist Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade STARWOMAN. I know that this stuff stays on. It also feels really good. It's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't feel drying or cakey or cracky. Blurring my lip line. Sometimes you want something that's a little bit more blurry. It kind of looks like a little bit more effortless. You don't have to like try that hard to like get the perfect line. All right, so this is the finished look. I personally really like it. I hope that it looks good day of, and I will see you guys in Portugal. Bye. Hello, goodbye. Hey guys, so I am about to leave for the wedding and I have my wedding face on, except for highlighter because I forgot to pack it like an idiot. So right now I think it's looking pretty good if I do say so myself, and I will show you guys how this makeup wears at the end of the night. It's actually kind of on the windy, kind of cold side here, so I think it'll actually hold up pretty well. Fingers crossed. See you tonight. Bye! Hey guys, so it is around midnight. I've been wearing this makeup for like 10 hours and it's been holding up really well. I'm sorry the lighting is so bad. I'm on the street, we're waiting for a car and I just have like street lighting to light me. I know it's very yellow, but as you can see, the makeup, in my opinion, has really held up. The eyes, perfect. The liner has held up really well. No smudging whatsoever. The lips, I was drinking and eating, so it did wear a lot in the center, but honestly, I didn't reapply it at all. This NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, good stuff. My concealer kind of wore a little bit around the nose, but other than that, I think it looks really great. All right, so I am very tired. I'm gonna go to sleep and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see next on Beauty With Me by commenting down below, and click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another video. Bye.